everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, the warm little corner of the internet where learning English feels natural, friendly, and even a bit fun. I'm Anna, and I am so excited about today's episode.
And I'm David. Hello, hello, hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. Wherever you're tuning in from, your bedroom, a noisy cafe, the bus, or even your workplace, thank you for being here with us. We're your English learning buddies.
Before we start, just a gentle reminder. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us and helps more English learners find these lessons.
And hit that little notification bell so you never miss our warm, friendly episodes. Ding ding! Okay, Anna, today's topic is super important.
Oh, yes. Today we're teaching daily conversation you must know. These are real life phrases for everyday situations. Ordering coffee, shopping, asking for directions, making phone calls, inviting friends, and small talk. Perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to sound more natural, polite, and confident.
Let's begin with a place everyone knows, the coffee shop.
Coffee, the magical drink that makes humans functional.
Exactly. At a cafe, a natural way to order is, "Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?" Super simple, super polite.
And here's another one. Could I have a chicken sandwich, please? Could I have is very polite and very natural.
And if you want to sound extra friendly, add, "Thank you so much."
And if the cafe worker asks, for here or to go, you can say, to go, please, takeaway, or for here, please, eat or drink inside. Repeat after me. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Good. Now repeat. Could I have a chicken sandwich?
And last one, for here, please.
Beautiful. You're speaking like a cafe regular.
Okay, next situation. You're in a clothing store.
And you find the perfect shirt, but you have no idea what size you need.
A natural way to ask is, excuse me, do you have this in medium?
Or if you're not sure which size fits you, you can ask, "Could I try this on?" Meaning, can I wear it to see if it fits?
And if you want help choosing, say, which size do you recommend?
Great for beginners and also super polite.
Repeat, do you have this in medium?
Now, could I try this on?
And one more. Which size do you recommend?
Excellent. Shopping in English? Easy.
Asking for directions can feel scary, but we'll make it simple.
The friendliest way to ask is, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?"
Or a shorter version, excuse me, where's the nearest ATM?
And if you didn't understand the answer, don't panic. Just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Totally normal.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, where's the nearest ATM?
Good. And now, could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Wonderful.
Dale calls in English can feel intimidating.
Oh, yes. Even native speakers get nervous sometimes.
Here are simple, natural phrases. "Hi, I'd like to make an appointment. Is tomorrow morning available? Could you repeat that, please?"
And for booking a restaurant. Hi, I'd like to book a table for 2 at 7 p.m.
Simple, clear, polite.
Now for something fun. Making plans.
If you want to invite someone, say, "Do you want to grab coffee this weekend?"
Or, are you free on Saturday?
And to accept an invitation, That sounds great. I'd love to.
To say no politely, I'm sorry, I can't this time. Very natural, very friendly.
Small talk is the secret to sounding natural in English.
Yes, here are everyday lines native speakers use all the time. How's your day going? What have you been up to? Meaning, what have you been doing? Nice weather today. Did you have a good weekend?
And you can answer with short, friendly lines. Pretty good, thanks. Not bad. I've been busy, but good.
And our idiom for today? Break the ice.
Meaning to make conversation to help people feel comfortable.
Example, at a party, I asked about his weekend to break the ice.
Remember, you don't need to speak perfectly. Daily conversation is about being friendly, clear, and confident.
Yes, even short sentences are great. English doesn't need to be complicated.
Practice a little every day, and you'll improve faster than you think.
You're doing amazing. Really, be proud of yourself.
All right, friends, that's today's lesson. You learned phrases for cafes, shops, directions, phone calls, small talk, and invitations.
All the essential everyday English you must know to sound natural, polite, and confident.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if today's episode helped you. Your support means everything.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling. Your English gets better every single day.
We believe in you.
See you next time. Bye for now.